The pain of zero. Imagine this. You've poured hours into crafting the perfect Instagram reel. You've added trendy music, crisp edits, and even timed it to perfection. You hit post, eagerly waiting for the likes, views, and comments to pour in. But instead, 0 views. Goose egg, nada. It feels like shouting into a void, doesn't it? And worse, it's not just your reel. It's your confidence and creativity taking the hit. But don't worry. By the end of this video, you'll not only fix the 0 views problem, but you'll also understand how to grow your Instagram to finally start getting the attention your content deserves. Stay tuned because the solution is simpler than you think, but only if you act on it now. Quick question. When was the last time you binge-scrolled Instagram and thought, wow, this post deserves 0 views? Exactly. First things first, let's talk about Instagram's algorithm. It's not out to get you. It's just misunderstood. The algorithm's goal is to show content that keeps users engaged. If your content isn't getting views, it's not personal. It's data-driven. Here's the key. Instagram prioritizes content that sparks engagement within the first 30 minutes. Think likes, comments, saves, and shares. So how do you trigger engagement? By starting with a scroll stopper. Your hook should make viewers' thumbs freeze mid-scroll. For example, if you're sharing a travel reel, don't just show the destination. Open with a moment of surprise, like a shot of you ziplining over lush forests. Intrigue sells. But what if you're already making scroll-stopping content and still getting 0 views? Could it be a simple technical error? Let's dive deeper. Timing is everything. If you're posting when your audience isn't online, Instagram isn't going to prioritize your content. Check your insights. When is your audience most active? Schedule your posts accordingly, and please don't post 5 times a day thinking volume equals visibility. It doesn't. Quality beats quantity every single time. Another issue? The wrong format. Instagram favors reels and carousels over single image posts. If you're not adapting, you're falling behind. Reels especially are Instagram's golden child right now. Let me guess, you're thinking, but my cat pictures are amazing. I get it. But even your cat deserves better lighting and a viral sound. Next up, hashtags. Yes, they still matter, but not the way they used to. Gone are the days of spamming 30 random hashtags. Instead, focus on 8 to 10 highly targeted hashtags. Think of them as bridges connecting your content to the right audience. Pro tip, mix high-volume hashtags like number travel goals with niche ones like number hidden Himalayas. The niche hashtags give you a better chance of standing out in a smaller pool, while the broader ones help you ride trends. Here's a secret most people overlook. Engagement starts before you post. Spend 10 to 15 minutes liking, commenting, and sharing other people's content in your niche. Why? Because Instagram sees this activity and boosts your post to those you interacted with. Think of it as warming up the algorithm. Yes, it's a bit like flirting with the algorithm, but hey, if that's what gets your reel noticed, isn't it worth it? Finally, no growth happens without reflection. Look at your analytics weekly. What's working? What isn't? Double down on what your audience loves. Test different formats, captions, and hooks. And remember, consistency isn't just about frequency. It's about maintaining your brand voice, style, and message. But there's one last thing that ties all of this together, and it's something most people completely miss. Instagram is a social platform, so treat it like one. Build relationships with your followers. Reply to every comment. Answer DMs. Collaborate with others in your niche. When you create a community, views and engagement follow naturally. It's not just about algorithms, it's about people. Let me leave you with this. If Instagram were a party, would you just stand in the corner and hope someone talks to you? Exactly. Be part of the conversation. Now you have the tools to fix the 0 views problem. But your Instagram growth journey doesn't end here. If you want to learn how the power of compounding can take your Instagram strategy and your life to the next level. Click on this video right here. It's the secret sauce for long-term success. See you there.